Disconnect the battery discharge cable. Take out the battery mount. Disconnect all sensor wires. Disassemble the chainring crankset using an 8mm hex wrench. Remove the torque sensor. Note the right side has threads, left side is flat. Apply wear-resistant adhesive. Then install the torque sensor onto the frame. Tighten with a torque wrench 350 to 400 Newton-meters. Install the torque sensor cable, pulling it into the battery compartment. Tighten the sensor to the frame with the same torque setting. Install the chainring crankset. Install the left crank, tightening it with an 8mm hex wrench. Install the chainring groove side out, raise side in. Apply wear-resistant adhesive to the outer threads. Lock the chainring in place, tighten the chainring. Install the right crank using the same process.